Hey there, welcome to InfoMedia. Today, we're diving into something we all use but probably don't think too much about: shampoos and conditioners. There's a lot of misinformation floating around about hair care, and it's time we set the record straight. From how often you should wash your hair to whether conditioner actually causes hair fall. Today we're busting 15 of the biggest myths and sharing the real facts you need to know. So, grab your favorite drink, sit back, and let's get into it. Myth 1. You should shampoo your hair every day. Many people believe that washing your hair daily is necessary to keep it clean and healthy. However, the truth is daily shampooing can strip your scalp of its natural oils, leading to dryness, irritation, and even an overproduction of oil as your scalp tries to compensate. Ideally, how often you shampoo should depend on your hair type, lifestyle, and environment. For some, 2 to 3 times a week is plenty, while others who sweat heavily or use a lot of products might need more frequent washing. It's all about balance. Myth 2. Conditioner makes your hair greasy. A lot of people avoid conditioner fearing it will make their hair greasy and heavy. In reality, conditioner is essential for keeping your hair hydrated, smooth, and protected from damage. Greasiness often comes from applying conditioner incorrectly, like putting it on the scalp instead of focusing on the mid-lengths and ends. Choose a conditioner suited for your hair type and use it properly. It won't leave you greasy, it'll leave you glowing. Myth 3. You need to change your shampoo frequently. There's a popular belief that your hair gets used to a shampoo and it stops working over time. This isn't true. If your hair's needs haven't changed, like if it's not suddenly more oily, dry, or chemically treated, there's no need to switch shampoos constantly. Sometimes changes in hair behavior come from environmental factors, hormones, or diet, not the shampoo itself. Stick with what works unless you notice a real change in your hair's condition. Myth 4. More lather means cleaner hair. We're conditioned to think that lots of suds mean a better clean, but that's not the case. The amount of lather you get from a shampoo is largely due to foaming agents, which have nothing to do with the product's cleansing power. In fact, some gentle or sulfate-free shampoos might lather less but cleanse just as effectively, and more gently. Don't judge a shampoo by its bubbles. Myth 5. Cold water makes hair shinier. Many people swear by a cold rinse at the end of their shower to seal the hair cuticle and make hair shinier. While cold water can help close the outer layer of the hair slightly, it doesn't drastically change your hair's shine. Shine is more about the health and moisture levels of your hair, and using good quality shampoos, conditioners, and serums consistently will have a bigger impact than simply blasting yourself with cold water. Myth 6. Conditioner repairs split ends. Unfortunately, no conditioner, no matter how expensive, can truly repair split ends. What conditioners can do is temporarily smooth the appearance of split ends and reduce further damage by keeping your hair moisturized and less prone to breakage. The only real cure for split ends is a good haircut. Regular trims and good conditioning practices can help you prevent them from getting worse. Myth 7. Natural or organic shampoos are always better. While natural and organic shampoos can be great, they aren't automatically better for every hair type. Some natural products might lack effective cleansing agents or preservatives, leading to buildup or even spoilage. Plus, not all synthetic ingredients are harmful. It's more important to find a shampoo that addresses your specific hair needs rather than choosing it based purely on whether it's labeled natural. Myth 8. You should apply shampoo to the entire length of hair. When shampooing, it's tempting to scrub your hair from roots to ends, but this can cause unnecessary dryness. Shampoo is really meant for your scalp, where oil and dirt build up the most. The lather that runs down your hair as you rinse is enough to clean the lengths. Focusing shampoo on the scalp helps cleanse effectively without drying out the rest of your hair. Myth 9. Conditioner should be left in for a long time. Leaving conditioner in your hair longer than recommended doesn't necessarily make it more effective. Conditioners are designed to work within a specific time window, usually between 1 to 5 minutes. Over-conditioning can sometimes leave hair limp or heavy. Stick to the instructions on the product, they're there for a reason. Myth 10. Dandruff is caused by dry scalp. Many people associate those annoying flakes with dryness, but dandruff is more often caused by an overgrowth of yeast on the scalp or skin irritation, not just dryness. In fact, oily scalps can sometimes produce more dandruff. Using an anti-dandruff shampoo and maintaining scalp health are more effective solutions than simply moisturizing. Myth 11. Shampooing causes hair loss. It's scary to see hair in the drain after shampooing, but washing your hair doesn't cause hair loss. The hair you lose during shampooing is typically hair that has already detached from the follicle, part of the natural shedding cycle. If you notice excessive hair loss, it's better to consult a dermatologist, as the issue might be internal or hormonal rather than related to shampoo use. Myth 12. Conditioner weighs down fine hair. Conditioner has a bad reputation among people with fine hair, but the right lightweight conditioner can actually give fine hair the moisture it needs without making it flat. Look for volumizing or lightweight formulas, and again, focus application on the mid-lengths and ends, avoiding the scalp. Proper conditioning can even help fine hair look fuller and healthier. Myth 13. Shampoo and conditioner must be from the same brand. It's often marketed that way, but you don't have to use a shampoo and conditioner from the same brand to get great results. Mixing and matching based on your individual needs can sometimes be even better, maybe a clarifying shampoo from one brand and a deep moisture conditioner from another. It's your hair, and you get to customize your routine to suit it. Myth 14. Silicone in conditioners is bad for hair. Silicone gets a lot of hate, but it's not necessarily bad. In fact, silicone can provide excellent smoothing, frizz fighting, and protection benefits for many hair types. Problems usually arise if the product buildup isn't properly removed over time, so using a clarifying shampoo once in a while can keep things balanced. If you love the silky, smooth feeling, silicone might actually be your best friend. Myth 15. Only expensive products work well. While luxurious shampoos and conditioners often feel amazing, price isn't the ultimate indicator of quality. Many affordable brands offer incredible formulas that work just as well, if not better, for certain hair types. It's about the ingredients and formulation, not the price tag. Experimenting with different products and paying attention to how your hair responds will always give better results than simply splurging. And that's a wrap on the 15 biggest myths about shampoos and conditioners. Hopefully, this video helped clear up some confusion and gave you more confidence to choose the right products for your hair. If you learned something new, hit that like button, subscribe for more awesome content, and drop a comment below sharing which myth you believed before today. Thanks for hanging out with me, and until next time, keep your hair happy and healthy.